it and fucking swallow it. Go.
This is a car photographer in his natural habitat. Look at him, wow. Look, he's squatting like he's about to take a big old shit. Lots of poop coming out of there.
It's the car that got hit at the sideshow last night. Mom was trying to get us out of there, and then when he was trying to get us out of there, I guess like someone else was trying to pass us up in front of us. Jesus. Just fucking hit it and took off.
That's why you don't go to sideshows.
You smart. Dude, they fucked your car up. Holy shit. Yeah. It's almost as bad as your face. What do you think? When you see a yellow Ferrari, you think a small cock or what?
I think you should have gotten in red.
In red? Fuck.
I think
what a dick.
We're definitely compensating for something.
Throaty. You like him throaty.
Cloud chaser. Now we catch him at the chicken spot. Up a couple chops. Pop that nigga with 100 shots. They didn't make that nigga diddy bop. He thought we was going knuckle up.
Go show him up, my guy.
Don't do the thing where you crack your knuckles, bro. Like,
No,
like
go do it. Yeah, go be a douchebag. Go be a douchebag. Go. He's an asshole. Just kidding. Guys, this is David.
What's up?
David just got this new FPV drone. So he's gonna be flying it around, hopefully not crashing it.
Oh god, we'll see.
Experience do you have flying this thing?
2 hours.
2 hours.
Alright, we gotta fucking pull over to it. I can't do this shit.
Staying high, looking fly, first to death, but I can't find. She rockin' hard, and my shoes will staying high, looking fly, making money, that's on sight. Smoking, drinking, rockin', Prada, whipping, Ferrari,
Oh shit! Oh, dude. All right, guys, this is Darren. You gonna say hi? You just looked at the camera.
What's up, you guys?
Darren wants a ride in the 488, right?
Yeah.
And he says he'll do anything for a ride, right? And that includes eating the world's hottest little chip right here.
My dumb ass can get it open.
You sure you don't want to back out?
Yeah, there's no backing out.
Oh,
it's
shit.
so dark.
You have to eat those, yeah.
It's so
what's wrong with
dark.
dark things, bro?
Yeah, dude, what the fuck?
Nothing.
You don't have to do this if you don't want to.
No, I'll do it.
You fucking swallow it. Go.
Oh my fucking god.
I'm gonna cry.
Hey, you see this? Yeah. You'll be in this, bro. Here, man.
Oh shit. Spit it out, if you gotta puke. Oh shit. Worth it, not worth it?
No, not worth it.
You're good. Hey, dude, it's all in your head, bro. It's all in your head. Chill. Hey, it's temporary, bro. It's good. You're good.
Well, go get him some milk, dude. It's okay. Yeah, there you go. Puke fucking everywhere. Oh.
My head was like fucking so pressure.
It's on fire.
Pressure.
Don't fucking puke in the car.
I'm gonna puke, bro.
Worth it or no?
Yeah, it was fucking sick.
It was sick?
Yeah.
You do it again?
Yeah.
Really?